Hey there, I am actually just about to go to Anthony's because, as promised in my last video, we are doing a Q&A, so you're actually going to meet him today, and then also doing a home chef video. We're going to be cooking and doing the questions at the same time. I'm really excited. We actually did one of the home chef meals a few nights ago, and it was so delicious. We had like black bean tacos. I'll like insert a little clip of it because it just looked really professional, and I am someone that is not a chef, so like this service makes me feel like a chef. I'm in love. They are also sponsoring this video, so I will have all the links down below. Basically, if you don't know what it is a meal subscription service. We're doing the couples one, so like the two-person service, but there's also a family version too. It's $60 a week for the two-person, and you get 3 meals. But the cool thing with this is you actually get to pick like what kind of food you like, because I've done a service like this in the past, and it wasn't at all as like specific as this one. And this one actually comes with like a little meal kit book, recipe book, that's the one I'm looking for. But you can pick if you're like dairy free, vegetarian, if you don't eat fish. There, we'll do a screenshot, but there's a lot of things you could just like specifically ask for, and then you can customize based on the options that are left over of like what meals you want that week. So I picked the black bean tacos, the Parmesan crusted chicken, and then the pretzel coated cod or whatever. I'll show them to you, but I think the chicken's gonna be tonight. When it's delivered to you though, it comes in a package that is fully packed, so like you don't have to be home when it comes, like I wasn't, and it's surprisingly very warm in Ohio right now. It was snowing a few days ago, but it's been like 70, and I don't know how long it was on my porch, but when I open it, because it comes with a bunch of like freezer packs, it's fully secure. Everything also is like recyclable and biodegradable in it, which is amazing, because I'm trying, like you guys know, to be like minimal and also conserve, like use less waste. So I appreciated that, but everything was like fully packaged separately, and everything was still frozen, and like I said, I don't know how long it was in the heat, but this service is from like coast to coast, so like people in California, it's meant to like stay out because no one knows when you're actually going to be home, so it's like they pack it knowing you might not be home. Let's go. There, okay, so I am at Anthony's now, and we are about to start cooking. We are going to do the chicken. I decided not to do the cod today, although it looked really good. So we're doing Parmesan crusted chicken, and it takes about 25 to 35 minutes. And here are all of the ingredients. They shipped to us in a little bag. So basically, we are going to start cooking, and then while it's in the oven, we're going to do the Q&A like I promised you guys. And also, I feel like there is someone I should also introduce you to, maybe. This is Anthony. You will see him pop in and out of the frame, and definitely during the Q&A. Okay, we're gonna start cooking, so I am hangry. So I'm in my car because I made a Brittany mistake, and that is I brought all the wrong stuff. So we're not doing chicken anymore. We're gonna do the cod because most of the stuff was for the cod. So I ran home and just switched it out, and we will end up cooking that. So are you excited to have fish?
I am. This looks good.
I think that he likes fish, but it does look good, so we'll see how it turns out. Okay, take 2. We are making this instead.
Raindrop on the blacktop, hot stuff, feeling like a robot. Swipe left, scroll down, same chick, but you're living in a new town. Am I the issue? I'm the original. Cute face, but you got no taste. Wouldn't trade it for its weight in gold. One of these days, one of these days.
When I told Anthony that he was going to be in a video, what did you go do? A cooking video.
I bought a chef's hat.
Have you always wanted a chef's hat? Do you feel like a chef?
I do now, yes.
You didn't get me one.
I feel like a professional. I didn't get you one.
I'm the sous chef in this case.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so I asked you guys on Instagram to ask me questions for this, and we got a few responses. So you want to be the interviewer?
I will be asking the questions.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Audrey Gorman 6 asks,
This is a friend from high school, FYI. So her answer or question's gonna be weird, I'm sure.
what is your favorite accent to talk in?
Is that your favorite accent? I don't know. I guess this is probably my favorite accent. I don't really know what it is though. If any of you can decide for me what kind of accent that is.
Yeah, we're probably offending some people right now.
I apologize. That's just a Brittany accent.
Maggiebies asks, what is your favorite flower?
That's a really good question because I don't think that I have one. Do you have a favorite flower?
I don't know that I have a favorite flower. I would say that you like succulents though.
I do. Does that count though as a flower?
Yeah, it's a plant.
It's a plant. I like green things and white. I don't know. I'm very basic, but like succulents, like, what is it? It's cacti, the plural version of cactus, right? Cacti? Is that real?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I thought. I like those too.
Joe V80. Who enjoys cooking the most, you or your boyfriend?
Oh, hey. I love her, by the way. She's always on here. Yeah, I don't cook, so...
I do like cooking.
Him. But I do cook.
You do cook.
When we are doing something.
It's
that
okay.
Involves it. I'm practicing.
No,
but
good.
like, well, like Home Chef is great for people like me that don't know how to, because like you learn, and then there's I'm someone that needs photos. In YouTube videos, watching them helps a lot. But yeah, I more him.
Tara Pedroza. Do you still live with your parents or did you move out?
Oh, I am still at home, but I will move out at some point. Or won't I? I don't know. They may have me for life. We'll see. I'll keep you guys tuned in.
Sweet Caroline.
Oh.
Okay. What's your favorite kind of cake?
Oh, that is a good question as well. Is there really a favorite kind of cake, though? I feel like they are all deserving.
They're
of that
all
title.
pretty good.
But okay, but if I had to pick a favorite cake...
Almond tort.
I've never had that. That's yours?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Is it cake?
It is cake.
It doesn't sound like a cake.
It's like a wedding cake.
I like cakes at weddings. Does that count? I like wedding cake.
All cakes.
All cakes.
Caroline Rose. If you could only buy one brand of workout clothes for the rest of your life, what brand would they be from?
Also, a very deep question.
Deep.
Very deep. I'm gonna go with... Okay, if I only could buy one workout... Okay, I'm gonna go, and this may not be a popular opinion with a lot of people, but Lululemon, because I think I could be fine just having two... I'm not ever gonna be fine doing that. But just having like 2 workout leggings and like 2 shirts and a couple of bras and like... Because they last a long time, I'm gonna go higher quality pieces. That is one thing I'm gonna struggle with, getting rid of things when I do my closet declutter, which will be the next video. So I'm really getting a lot of anxiety built up.
Speaking of which, one sheepdog 8860 asked, what inspired you to become more minimalist? And what are you looking forward to most in that path?
I think what inspired me is that like I just started feeling overwhelmed in my stuff, and I was very like confused why I was feeling that way. I just have a lot of stuff, and it was bothering me because I hated it all. And I don't know why. I just started hating everything that I own, and the fact that I owned so much was just bothering me. So I started watching YouTube videos, and I went into the spiral. So like anytime Anthony comes over now, there's always something on the TV that has to do with like a minimalism video or finding your joy. So I'm deep into this at the moment.
I'm also going down this minimalist path, reducing some things.
Yeah?
So.
Well, I came over today, and you've been busy in your room, so.
Busy cleaning some things out, so.
And he told me he watched a minimalist video, so I think I'm rubbing off.
K May 1, what is your favorite breakfast meal?
I'm a creature of habit, so like the past 4 or so months I've been doing egg whites with vegan cheese, and I've been loving it. But I just started yesterday. I switched it up to avocado toast with goat cheese and then a sunny side up egg on top, and really enjoy that. So I've been eating a lot of eggs basically.
I like comfort foods. Pancakes, bacon.
Yeah, you do. Yeah. He is not good when you want to go to like somewhere healthy.
Kathleen Eston, have any of your students discovered your channel? And has that impacted your dynamic with them at all?
Yeah, this is something that has actually been making me nervous because I don't want anyone to know. I'm the type of person, like if I'm in public, like I don't mention YouTube. You, on the other hand, you'll introduce me to someone and immediately be like, she does YouTube videos, and then, which is cute because I feel like you're not embarrassed that I do it. And I don't know why for me, like I don't like watching myself on YouTube, so I'm not like out in public like, watch me on YouTube, you know? I had some students come in my office and they're like, do you have a twin? And I was like, no. And they're like, are you sure? Because there's someone on YouTube that looks just like you. And that's how I had one school that would just like fire through the school. Once one person found out, like all the girls knew about it. And I don't know, I feel weird about it. So yes, that's something that concerns me. Was that all the questions?
That was all the questions.
Okay. Well, if you have any questions for a future video, we'll answer them on film like this again. And if any of them pertain to Mr. Anthony, I'll have him in the video too.
Cute face, but you got no taste. Wouldn't trade it for its weight in gold. One of these days, one of these days, someone's gonna love me right. One of these days, maybe I can get it right. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. Love me right. Someone's gonna love me right.
So we ate everything. I showed you the photos. It was very good. You liked it?
It was very good.
I will say the black bean tacos are probably my favorite.
I like the tacos better,
Yeah.
But this was really good too.
Yeah,
I'm not a big fan of fish, but this was good.
I don't actually like fish that much either, but the pretzel topping was really good. I think it helped mask any fishiness that most fish have. I don't know. We have chicken we're gonna do tomorrow, but I probably won't end up filming that. Leave in the comments below if you've tried any of these like chef version things before. So I'm curious to know what your thoughts are on it, if you've tried like Home Chef or any of the other ones. And then yeah, I guess leave any comments below if you want to be answered in a future Q&A. And other than that, I think we're gonna get ice cream. Culver's, supposedly Anthony says they have good concrete mixers.
Yep.
I want cookie dough real bad. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Bye.